Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ives number 580 A716 ceiling hook is what this is. This is a very common sort of hook from Ives in an aluminum base material in a 716 finish, which is an aged bronze finish. And a ceiling hook is going to be used in a mudroom, or it's going to be used in furniture where you're going to install that up to the deck or the ceiling of the structure or the ceiling. In lockers, locker room applications are very common. Mudroom applications is where you're going to install this. So you'll be looking at it from generally the bottom is where you're going to install this. The 580 is what this profile is. The A means that this is made of an aluminum base material. It's also available in brass. We'll go over that more in a moment. The 716 means aged bronze. And aged bronze means that you're going to get that bronze type highlight in the piece itself. You can see it here as well. So you'll get a little two-tone action, but because it's made of aluminum, it's a complementary finish. It's not a true aged bronze finish because you would need an architectural metal like brass or bronze to really achieve the closest to what aged bronze would actually look like. This is aluminum. I'm glad it wasn't glass, the base material. This is aluminum, which means you're going to get a faithful finish, a complementary finish, but you'll get one that will be significantly less expensive than something made of solid brass. Screws are included with this item. Look like maybe a couple of number 6 by 1 inch and an oval head, flat oval head sheet metal screw with a Phillips drive. There are some dimensions below this video. Let's go over it. Now, they've got the projection at 2 1/4, and I would say that would be spot on. Overall width, they say that it's 7 inch and 7/8, but that could be the reference to the base. Forgive me. Overall width of the hook or depth is going to be about 3 1/8. The base width about 1 inch and 13/16, with a base height of about 15/16. Thickness of that hook, it's probably about 5/16 of an inch. Okay. There is a link below this video to the installation instructions, which are very simply mark the location, pre-drill the holes, attach. That's all that there is to it. More helpfully is the link to the product brochure, which will show you all of the coat and hat hooks, or the different hooks currently from Ives, and the 580 is going to show up on the bottom of page 2. It is currently made only in the aluminum base material, this hook. And let's go over those different finishes. A3 for a brass, a polished brass, A5 for antique brass, A10 for satin bronze, A14 for polished nickel, A15 for satin nickel, A716 for Venetian bronze, and the one I skipped over is an A92, which would be just a unichrome type generic color. If you were looking for the least expensive, A92 will always be the least expensive unit from Ives in these sorts of aluminum-based items. Okay, very nice, good-looking quality item, and that link to the product catalog will allow you to review all of those items. The 580 is certainly very common. The most common coat and hat hooks are certainly the 571, 572 models, but you'll sell all of these Ives units sooner or later, but those are by far the most common ones. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Ives products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Ives number 580 in an A716 Venetian bronze finish, or any other Ives product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.